Well, with all of these, I almost forgot that I bought as well drawers and shelves. So I'm gonna assemble them right now. Okay, so the drawers are really simple to do. Just open the box. Like this. Take this hardware aside. Take the sides and the back and the front, the hardware, and the bottom. Then grab the front side, this one. Open the hardware. Take these screws. Put one in each side. Then grab these wood connections and put them inside here. Grab the bottom with the white part to the front and tilt it like so and go forward. Now grab the sides and these two circle holes should go to the screws and this little thing goes here. So just fit them into place. Grab the other one, put it into place. Now grab these little connections, white connections, and put them in these circles, like so. And now just screw them like so until the arrow is pointing up. Good. Now grab the back piece and tilt it and put it into place. Now grab these screws, white screws, right? And put them on the sides. Use a hammer to help you put them through. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. Now hammer it. Okay, and this part is already finished. We have 1, 2, 3 drawers. Now we have to assemble them outside in the Pax wardrobe column that I bought to make a storage unit outside that it's going to look awesome. So let's install the drawers and then the shelves. The shelves I'm going to unbox one inside and the rest we're going to put it directly outside. So let's do that now. Okay, so I already installed the first 2 rails because I was worried about the hardware from the door to hit the drawers, but they don't. If you have these hardwares for the doors, you have to install the first rail in the 6th hole from the Pax wardrobe. Otherwise, the rail is going to hit this and you are not able to open or install the drawer. Okay, the first one is done. It's a little bit trickier to do the last part and you have to put a little plastic to lock the drawer in, but it's good. It's good to go. let's do the other two. This is the IKEA hinge that come with the Pax wardrobe. It doesn't fit, so I bought this one and we're going to install it. Let's take the drawer out. So this is the IKEA and this is the other one. Yeah, perfect.